How to merge layers in Photoshop. Using the Merge Layers tool, select the layers you want to merge. You could do this by holding down the Control key on Windows or CMD key on Mac and clicking on each layer in the Layers panel. Right-click on one of the selected layers and choose Merge Layers from the context menu. This will combine the selected layers into a single layer. To merge using shortcuts, select the layers you want to merge as described above. Press Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac to merge the selected layers quickly. To merge using Clipping Mask, create a clipping mask by placing the layer you want to clip above the layer you want to use as a mask. Right-click on the top layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This will clip the top layer to the shape of the layer below it. To merge these layers, select both layers and use the Merge Layers tool or the Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac shortcut.